Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going on a little vlog to Dragon Con in Atlanta. We go every year. I have a vlog for the past couple of years and it's always a great time. This year we went as the version of the Titans from, I don't want to butcher his name, but Gabriel Piccolo. I'll put a picture on the screen of kind of like what our inspiration was. And we went with Hunter's brother, my brother-in-law, and his girlfriend, and they dressed up as Barbie and it was awesome. They looked great, and so I'm just going to show you guys some footage of that. And then also, while we were in the area, we went to this really cute bookstore where my husband Hunter is from, and it was adorable. There was a cute cat there. It was a great time. So I'm going to have some footage from that, and then just a couple other things. I did an unboxing of a book that I had ordered and reorganized my shelves a little bit, so that's in here too. So just enjoy the vlog. Day one. Robin, Starfire. I almost said Stargirl. That's not right. We're walking in and gonna go meet the rest of them. Ready?
So your best bet is to head back over there.
Themselves to call each other. How to end breath? Yeah, exactly.
But
full baguette for $3, and you can have all the butter.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you are ready for these spooky fall vlogs because they are coming soon and I cannot wait for fall. It is still super hot here in Alabama, so hopefully that'll happen sooner rather than later, but I will see you guys next time. Bye!